Hey everybody, it's Mark Zachary, your mortgage professional covering the Woodlands, Spring, Cypress, Katy, Tomball, anywhere from the north over to the west side of Houston. That's the area I focus on. So if I can help you with any mortgage needs, please let me know. I'll be glad to answer any questions you had. I had a question the other day about, Mark, what is the difference between a mortgage broker and a mortgage banker? There's several differences, but the main one you need to know about, and the main one you need to ask about when you talk with lenders, is do you have in-house underwriting? And if you don't, if they don't have in-house underwriting, you don't need to walk out of that office, you need to run out of that office, because that is going to be a nightmare of a process for you. Brokers that do not have their in-house underwriting, what they have to do is they'll take your file, gather everything that is normal for a file, and they have to send it off to the investor. And the investor will underwrite the file, make a decision on the file, and issue conditions on it. So they'll come back with the conditions. The broker will then say to you, the borrower, hey, now we need to gather these conditions so we can get final approval, right? So you'll gather some additional documents, conditions, things like that, give it to your broker, they'll send it off. Here's the problem. They don't know which underwriter it's going to the second time. That investor will assign a whole new, or they can assign a whole new underwriter for that file. That underwriter is then going to issue conditions and send it back to the broker. Now the broker has to come back to you again and say, guess what, Mr. Buyer, we now need more conditions. So you're going to start getting frustrated around this time because you've already done this a couple of times. You'll gather new conditions, they'll send it to the investor. Guess what? They don't know who the underwriter is going to be on this time either. So this third underwriter can issue more conditions. So here we go. It's a vicious cycle, and I guarantee you, you're going to end up frustrated with the process. Don't use a broker that does not have in-house underwriting. Very important. This can be a stressful, time getting a mortgage these days because there is so much involved. So when you have investors constantly changing things, you're going to get frustrated with the process. We have in-house underwriting. We have in-house processing, in-house closing, in-house funding. All of it is in-house. The process that you're going to have with us is going to be incredible. It's going to be so much better than a broker that does not have their in-house underwriting. So be sure and remember that when you go out and start making your phone calls. But that ought to be the first question. Do you have in-house underwriting? If you don't, hang up or walk out of their office, because it's going to be very frustrating for you. Give us a shot at one of your deals. We would love to be able to help you out. The process is just really slick. A lot of our loans come out with no conditions, or 2 or 3 conditions that we have to get. But the main thing is it goes back to the same underwriter. They sign off on everything and we're done. So anyway, hope you got a lot out of that. Sorry it went a little bit long this time. I normally try to keep this about 2 minutes, but it's very important that you know the difference between the two. So let me know if I can answer any questions about the mortgage process. I'll be glad to help you. Make a note of my contact information below, and we'll get back with you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you next time on the web. Bye-bye.